So here is another question on arithmetic progression. So here it is given to find the 105th term of the AP given by 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6 and so on. So here for that first we'll write the arithmetic progression, the sequence. So we have 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6 and so on. So here to find any particular number of term using the nth term formula of AP, there are two things which are very important. First, the first term. In this case it is equal to 4. And then we have to find out the difference between the successive terms of the AP. In this case it is pretty much clear that the difference is 1 by 2. So we have A is equal to 4, the first term, and the common difference 1 by 2. So now the next important thing is the nth term formula, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 d. In this case n is 105. So the 105th term, it will be equal to A plus 105 minus 1 into d, which is equal to A plus 104 d. So it will be equal to 4 plus 104 to 1 by 2, equal to 4 plus 52, which is equal to 56. So the 105th term, that is equal to 56. Okay, this is the 105th term. So using the nth term, the general term formula for arithmetic progression, using the first term and the common difference, we determine the 105th term. Okay. So here is another question. So it is given to find the 25th term of the arithmetic progression, which is given by minus 5, minus 5 by 2, 0 and 5 by 2 and so on, like that. So again, the first step, first to write the arithmetic progression, okay, minus 5 by 2, 0, 5 by 2 and so on. To find out any particular term using the nth term general formula, first we need the first term A. In this case it is equal to minus 5. Then the difference between the successive terms. So here first minus 5 by 2 minus 5, which is equal to minus 5 by 2 plus 5. So it is equal to 5 by 2. Similarly 0 minus 5 by 2, so it is 5 by 2. So constant difference of 5 by 2 is maintained throughout. So this is the common difference. Okay, d is equal to 5 by 2. So we have the first term equals to minus 5 and the common difference, that is equal to 5 by 2. Now the nth term formula, that is the general formula, is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So here for the 25th term, for n is equal to 25, so it becomes A plus 25 minus 1 into d, A plus 24d. So we'll substitute the values, minus 5 plus 24 into 5 by 2. So is equal to minus 5 plus, so it's 12, 25, 60. So it's equal to how much? Is equal to 55, yes. So the 25th term for this arithmetic progression, that is equal to 55. Okay, so this is the. So here is another question. So it is given, if the nth term of an arithmetic progression is expressed as 5n minus 2, find its first term, the common difference, and the 19th term. Okay, so here it is given that the nth term for the AP, it is 5n minus 2. Okay, so the AP, it consists of several terms, T1, T2, T3, T4, like this. T1 is basically called as small a, the first term, and there is a common difference between each term. So here, first, we have to find out, let's say, the first term, okay, T1. So it is 5 into 1 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Then T2, which is equal to 5 into 2 minus 2, equal to 8. Then T3 is not required because our objective was to find out the first term. We got that. Then, as it is given that is already in AP, so the common difference will be the same. So here we have the first term 3, then 8, and the difference between them, the common difference, 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. The common difference is equal to 5, and the first term is equal to 3. Okay, the first term is equal to 3 and the common difference is equal to 5. Then for the 19th term, what we'll do, you can go two ways. First is the nth term for the general AP formula, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here the 19th term, T19, is equal to A plus 19 minus 1 into D, which is equal to A plus 18D. So it will equal to, A is equal to 3 plus 18 into 5. So 18 into 5 is how much? 90. So 3 plus 90, that is equal to 93. Okay, that is the 19th term. Or you can use this formula directly. The nth, Tn is equal to 5n minus 2. So here we'll substitute the values. That is T19 is equal to 5 into 19 minus 2. So this is equal to 5 into 19, that is 95 minus 2, that is equal to 93. So either way you will get the same result. T19 is equal to 93. Okay, here also using the nth term, the general nth term formula of AP, or using this, which is already given in the question. So this is the thing. So our objective was to calculate the first term, the common difference, and the 19th term. We did that. A is equal to 3, the first term, the common difference is 5, and the 19th term is 93.